Privileged to warmly welcome the Honorable Governor of Telangana, Shri Shiv Pratap Shukla, Principal Secretary to the Government of Telangana, Jayesh Ranjan, patrons of this foundation, Lakshmi Manchu, Shilpa Reddy, the MLA and well-wisher of Aditya Mehta Foundation, MLA Patikonda Shri E. Shyam, and Soni Bala, MD Telangana Sports Authority, distinguished guests, members of the media, and a special mention to all the supporters and mentors of Aditya Mehta Foundation. I am a newly minted trustee of this organization, but I have been associated with Aditya Mehta and his foundation for the last 7 years. I chanced upon Aditya Mehta during my stint with the CISF while I was working in the police service. And one of those occasions I happened to come and visit this facility because Aditya Mehta was actually hand-holding a lot of soldiers from the CAPF who had been injured during duty and action, and he was doing it free of cost for the CAPF. CAPF is the Central Armed Police Forces. And honestly, seeing his dedication and his complete commitment to support and I think rehabilitate is not the right word, but to empower the people who have become disabled either during accident or otherwise, I had no words but just to salute him and continue my support to Aditya Mehta and his foundation. So one of the foundation's meaningful contributions has been to be promoting para sports with the members who are associated with the foundation and train them to world-class and international events. And I think the list is very long to the number of people and number of members of the foundation who have won many, many international accolades and medals during many, many international events. And Aditya and his team are constantly striving meticulously towards empowering and enabling every member of this foundation to become a world-class para-sports athlete. So, and they've won a lot of national events also. That's all that I have to say, and I take this occasion to sincerely thank the Honorable Governor of Telangana, sir, who has been gracious enough to find time to come and participate and be the chief guest for this organization and this event. And I again thank once again the supporters, sponsors, the volunteers, and every member of this team who has put together this event and those who have been supporting it from the outside. Of course, Aditya Mehta's name has to be mentioned because he is literally the pivot around which whatever you are seeing is happening. And so, though I don't think he'll be very happy being mentioned exclusively, but I think I will take this prerogative to exclusively say that Aditya Mehta is indeed a walking, talking inspiration for this kind of a cause. And I request the Honorable Governor, the Principal Secretary of Telangana for the Government of Telangana, the MD Sports Authority of India, Telangana, to extend whatever support in whatever form you can to bring and make this organization's and the foundation's dream come true. Thank you very much.
My respectful greetings to Honorable Governor Shri Shiv Pratap Shukla ji, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, distinguished dignitaries, my dearest friend Shilpa, Mrs. Anjana Sinha Garu, athletes, coaches, media representatives, and all our guests present here today. It is always such a pleasure for me to be here at the Aditya Mehta Foundation. Every visit reminds me of the courage, determination, and resilience of these athletes, and never to complain about my life on anything. I've seen many athletes here start from their beginning, their journeys. I've been associated with Aditya Mehta for about 13 years now, and I've seen some journeys from the beginning. Athletes like Arshad, who I had the privilege of cycling next to. He went on to represent India at the Paralympics, making us so proud. He can't handle all the medals that he has. This reflects, and this success reflects not only on their hard work, but also the dedication of their coaches, families, and the foundation. मैं दिल से मानती हूँ कि आदित्य मेहता फाउंडेशन सिर्फ चैंपियंस नहीं बनाता, बल्कि जिंदगियां बदलता है। यहाँ हर एथलीट को अपने सपनों को पूरा करने का अवसर मिलता है। माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय, आपकी उपस्थिति हम सब के लिए गौरव और प्रेरणा का विषय है। आपका प्रोत्साहन इन एथलीट्स के लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। I still remember participating in a 100-kilometer cycling challenge. Ooh, something I will never forget. During the pandemic, to support this cause, it gave me deeper appreciation for the life I have, the world around me, and the people that come together to make this beautiful journey memorable. I appreciated the discipline and determination these athletes demonstrate every day. Today, we are delighted to see young champions like Shivani and Jyoti receiving their Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. Their achievements inspire us all. To all the athletes present here, remember that your greatest achievement is not the medals you win, but the lives you inspire by just being you. I want to take this opportunity to thank Aditya for always keeping me involved with this beautiful organization. I feel such a great sense of purpose every time I come here, and I always appreciate the Guju breakfast you give me. That's always a perk for me, and I want to open it up to all you media people. Please do encourage and write about this association and foundation, so he can help more people in need, because I remember one room and how it has built over the years, and we really want to be here. Sir, one more thing, it's not just people with disability. He has really hand-holded people, I have seen, not just with CAPF, but CRPF, BSF, police, citizens. Like, there is not one person he says no to. So today is your day, Aditya. All these medals belong to you as well. And thank you so much for having me here. Jai Hind.
ये जो मुकाबले होते हैं, उसके साथ साथ पैरा स्पोर्ट्स की भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स होती हैं, लेकिन उसमें क्या हो रहा है, उसमें कौन आगे जा रहा है, उसमें कितने लोगों को मेडल्स मिल रहे हैं, उसकी ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी नहीं होती है, उसके बारे में लोग जानने की ज़्यादा उत्सुकता नहीं दिखाते हैं। लेकिन इस साल हम सभी का यह कर्तव्य होना चाहिए कि जैसे हम बड़े खिलाड़ियों की हौसला अफजाई करें, उसी तरह से पैरा स्पोर्ट्स में जो हिस्सा ले रहे हैं उनका भी भरोसा रखें, उनको भी हम लोग चीयर करें। सर, पिछले साल हम लोगों ने अपनी नई खेल पॉलिसी बनाई 2025 में, और चूँकि मेरा आदित्य मेहता और इस फाउंडेशन से बहुत सालों से परिचय है, तो हम लोगों ने ये कोशिश की कि जो हमारी पॉलिसी बनेगी उसमें पैरा स्पोर्ट्स को काफ़ी प्राधान्यता दी जाए। और हम लोग हर साल एक ग्रामीण खिलाड़ियों को खोजने के लिए एक प्रतियोगिता करते हैं, CM उसका नाम है। और इस साल जो प्रतियोगिता हुई दिसंबर और जनवरी के महीने में, उसमें 2700 पूरे राज्य में पैरा एथलीट्स ने उसमें हिस्सा लिया। करीब 12 डिसिप्लिन्स में हम लोगों ने ये मुकाबले करवाए, और कुछ लोगों को हम लोगों ने भी आइडेंटिफाई किया। उसमें से आज एक ताइक्वांडो का खिलाड़ी है, वो अब इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट के लिए जा रहा है, तो उसके फ़्लाइट चार्जेस, उसके होटल के लिए हम लोग उसको 2 लाख की सरकार की तरफ से नगद राशि भी उसको प्रदान कर रहे हैं। और आखिरी बात यह है, आदित्य और हमारे विभाग के बीच में पिछले कुछ महीनों से एक चर्चा चल रही है। जैसे ये जो सेंटर है, ये वाकई बहुत मेहनत से बनाया गया है, और अभी लक्ष्मी जी ने कहा, पहले बहुत एक छोटा हिस्सा हुआ करता था, अब इसको और बढ़ाया गया है। लेकिन फिर भी पूरे देश में जितने भी खिलाड़ी हैं, उसको किस तरह की ट्रेनिंग देनी चाहिए, हर तरह की सुविधाएं यहाँ पे अभी भी मौजूद नहीं है। इसलिए हम लोगों ने उनसे बात की है। हमारा जो स्पोर्ट्स स्कूल है हकीम पेट में, वो करीब 200 एकड़ की ज़मीन पे है, और उसमें से कुछ हिस्सा अगर हम इनको दें तो वहाँ पे एक पैरा अकेडमी ये बना सकेंगे कि नहीं। तो इनसे चर्चा चल रही है। मेरे जो सहयोगी हैं सोनी बाला, इन्होंने इनसे प्रपोज़ल मंगवाया है, और हम लोग बहुत ही शीघ्र इनको वो ज़मीन भी दे के, आप जैसे जो डोनर्स हैं सरकार की तरफ से कुछ मदद, प्राइवेट कंपनीज़ की तरफ से कुछ मदद करके जल्दी एक बहुत ही मॉडर्न पैरा स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी भी बनाएंगे, जिससे जो हमारी जो खेल पॉलिसी है, जिसमें पैरा स्पोर्ट्स को हम लोगों ने जो हम लोगों ने एक भरोसा दिया है कि सरकार की तरफ से हर तरह की उसको सहायता दी जाएगी, वो एक बड़े एकेडमी के ज़रिए उसको हम लोग शीघ्र ही साकार करेंगे। और बहुत ही हम लोगों को खुशी होगी अगर महामहिम राज्यपाल जी उसका पैरा एकेडमी की भी फाउंडेशन पे और इनॉग्रेशन पे हमारे बीच में मौजूद हो। सो बहुत खिलाड़ियों को एक बार फिर मेरा अभिनंदन। बहुत सारे लोगों को आज पुरस्कार दिए जाएंगे। आप और भी अच्छा ट्रेनिंग करिए, और भी देश के लिए, अपने राज्य के लिए मेडल्स लाइए, और सभी लोगों का नाम ऊंचा करिए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Being part of this event, and we will have quite a crowd on the stage now, followed by the felicitation ceremony, and all the athletes, para athletes, and promoting sporting excellence. Round of applause for the Indian para cycling team, and may I request the check to be also handed over to Governor Ji. Namaskar, sir. Tirumal Reddy Koduri, Executive Head People and Culture, Asian Pacific NTT, and Tanishka Roy, CSR Lead India Entity, Data Solutions. So please come onto the stage, please. Please come on the stage. Indian para cycling team towards participation in international competitions. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. May I now get the next team to be ready? Matthew, Legal of Invesco, will please come onto the stage. A check of 16 lakh rupees to the Indian para shooting team.
Please come forward.
Okay. The Invesco team is here. They will great support to the Aditya Mehta Foundation. Towards participation in the Kazakh Grand Prix and other events, and Payal represented India in para powerlifting for a prize support worth of 1.5 lakh rupees. Please come on to this, all the three of you. Shivani, Jyoti, and Payal, please come on to the stage, one by one. Next be Risha, be ready please. Risha of Assam, please be ready. Toward the support for the Commonwealth Games. May I now call on Vishwa from Gujarat to also get ready after this. Please be ready. We will call you onto the stage. Cycles being exhibited. 40 lakh rupees worth of cycles that you see there for the specialized training. Aryavardhan, be ready please. Aryavardhan from Telangana. Pawan from Andhra Pradesh, please be ready. Next. Rupees. उत्तर प्रदेश से सभी आप तैयार हो जाइए. 50 lakh rupees, that is what you saw right now. That is the night ride, artificial lake, and sports equipment. May I now call on Prashant from Maharashtra to be ready. And ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. They deserve it. The total value of the support extended today amounts to around incredible. The athlete achievement now may I call on Arshad Sheikh from Andhra Pradesh, a distinguished paracyclist who created history by becoming India's first male paracyclist to represent the country at the Paris Paralympics 2024. Arshad has brought immense pride to the nation with an outstanding tally of 12 international gold medals. 12 international gold medals. We can't believe Jana and Shruti also to be there. Please come on the stage, Bangla. I mean, you guys are a part of the family. Please come on. I really don't need to invite you each time. Please come on, please. That is Arshad Sheikh from Andhra Pradesh. 12 international gold medals. And is recognized as India's youngest female rider to represent the nation at the Asian Games Championship 2026. She also has earned the selection to represent India at the Commonwealth Games 2026, which Shri Jayashankar just mentioned a while ago. This is Lisha Das from Assam. 11 international gold medals, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for her.
Okay.
Vishwa, first female rider to represent the country at the World Championships 2025 across the nation. Vishwa Vasani from Gujarat, 13 international medals, India's youngest female rider to represent the prestigious Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025. She proudly represented India at the Youth Asian Para Games 2025. A bronze medal last week at the Indian Open International Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, H.U. Shivali from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
May now call upon Jyoti. All the sponsors, please be around because each time we really don't need to call you on stage. NTT, Invesco, and others. Here at the Youth Asian Para Games 2025, a recipient of prestigious Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025, presented by the Honorable President of India.
Okay.
That is Jyoti from Haryana, shot put, high tops in India and Singapore, and of course a lot of stuff that is there. If I go on really, will take under 5 minutes for me. But since we have a paucity of time, we will get on to that, please.
Okay.
Thank you. And the financial assistance for participation in the President's Cup for the Olympic qualification tournament that we had in Australia. Welcome, Gautam Yadav. Ma'am. Check of 2 lakh rupees being presented by Shri Jayesh Ranjan to Gautam Yadav for participation in the President's Cup. This will be an Olympic qualification that will be there. Thank you very much. Next part of the function, which is the most important thing, may I now invite guest K. Shyamkumar ji to present a memento and a shawl to the Honorable Governor of Telangana, Shri Shiv Pratap Shukla ji. A shawl and a memento. I may request Anjana ma'am to please present a hamper to the governor. Memento dijiye. Yeah, okay. Give the hamper also, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And now the hamper from Anjana ma'am to the governor of Telangana. बहुत धन्यवाद sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now the moment we've been waiting for.
Shri Jayesh Ranjan, IAS विशेष मुख्य सचिव तेलंगाना सरकार, सुश्री अंजना सिन्हा जी, IPS रिटायर्ड DGP आंध्र प्रदेश तथा न्यासी आदित्य मेहता फाउंडेशन, सुश्री लक्ष्मी मंचू आदित्य मेहता फाउंडेशन के मार्गदर्शक मेंटर, सुश्री शिल्पा शेट्टी जी न्यासी आदित्य मेहता फाउंडेशन, डॉक्टर ए सोनीवाला देवी IFS MD तेलंगाना स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी, श्री के श्याम कुमार जी MLA पत्तीकोंडा, सभी विशिष्ट अतिथिगण, सभी खिलाड़ी, प्रशिक्षक, आदित्य मेहता फाउंडेशन के सदस्यगण, देवियों तथा सज्जनों, आज इस 14वें वार्षिकोत्सव के अवसर पर उपस्थित होकर के मुझे अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है। किसी भी अच्छे से अच्छे समारोह से भी बढ़कर के यह समारोह है। वास्तव में यह केवल उपलब्धियों का उत्सव नहीं है, बल्कि साहस, समर्पण, संकल्प का एक उत्कृष्ट प्रेरणादायी स्वरूप यहां देखने को मिलता है। अगर इस परिसर में हम लोग ना हो आदित्य मेहता फाउंडेशन में, बाहर कोई नहीं जानेगा कि ये बच्चे कितने आगे बढ़ चुके हैं। वास्तविकता ये है, इनका व्यक्तिगत संकल्प राष्ट्र का संकल्प बन चुका है। ये जो कुछ भी मेडल ले आते हैं, वह क्षण इनके लिए कितना अद्भुत होता होगा। जब वहां मेडल के साथ साथ पोडियम पर यह भारत के झंडे को लेकर के चलते हैं। शायद उस समय इनके भाव को हम सभी लोग नहीं समझ पाएंगे, लेकिन इनका भाव ऐसा होता होगा कि आज हमने राष्ट्र के लिए किया है। मीडिया के लोग हैं, मैं इनके माध्यम से गुजारिश करूंगा उन सभी लोगों से जो अपना CSR फंड के द्वारा खिलाड़ियों को प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, विशेष करके महिला खिलाड़ियों के प्रति भी उनका इसी तरह से भाव होना चाहिए। मैं उन सभी खिलाड़ियों को उनके उज्जवल भविष्य, सफल गौरवशाली भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। मैं तो पहली बार आया, यहाँ से बच्चे राजभवन हमारे पास गए थे, वहां भी मैंने इन लोगों को मिला था और उस समय भी मैंने ये कहा था यहाँ आने के लिए, और अवसर हुआ कि आ जाए। तो यहाँ दो लोगों से इस बात को कहूंगा, विशेष करके जयेश रंजन से, सोनीवाला से, एक बार मिल करके आप लोग इस प्रकार का प्रपोजल तैयार कीजिए कि उसमें क्या अच्छा से अच्छा किया जा सकता है। तो निश्चित रूप से मैं यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री से भी बात करूंगा और केंद्र सरकार में मंत्री मनसुख मांडविया से भी बात करूंगा, ताकि यहाँ और अच्छी तरह से हमारे ये बच्चे आगे बढ़े। उनकी सफलता के लिए मैं बार बार बधाई देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
everyone. सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। ऑनरेबल गवर्नर सर श्री जयेश रंजन गारू, डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिग्निटरीज ऑफ द डायस ऑफ डायस, मेरी प्यारी दोस्त Lakshana Sinha ji, whom I met this morning, who is an amazing woman, मीडिया के सदस्य, एथलीट्स, कोचेस, सपोर्टर्स और यहाँ उपस्थित सभी मेहमानों को मेरा सादर सलाम। भारत में होने के वास्ते आई थॉट आई जस्ट स्पीक फ्यू हिंदी वर्ड्स, इससे ज़्यादा हम बात नहीं कर सकते। As the first trustee of Aditya Mehta Foundation, it gives me immense pride to witness how a small initiative has grown into a movement that has empowered 10,000 athletes. and persons with disabilities. That's a big number for a single organization. This journey has been possible because of the support of our donors, partners, and all the well-wishers. I sincerely thank organizations such as NTT Data, GMM Co, Invesco, Alkin, S&P Global, Flutter Entertainment, Visakha Industries, and many others for believing in our mission. My heartfelt appreciation goes to our coaches, physiotherapists, staff, volunteers, and team members whose dedication makes every success possible. We are deeply, deeply grateful to Honorable Governor Ji for gracing this occasion, to Sri Jayesh Ranjan Garu for his continuous support, to my dearest friend Lakshmi Manchu for always championing this cause, and I warmly welcome Mrs. Anjana Sinaji. Welcome to AMF family, ma'am. Before I could conclude, I would like to sincerely thank the entire team of AMF who work tirelessly day and night behind the scenes. My gratitude goes to Dr. Asha, Dr. Aditya, Akshata, Marshall, our wonderful anchors Sri Sureshji, Swati Vasi Reddy, Parushuramji, and everyone who has contributed to making this event and our mission successful. If I have unintentionally missed anyone, please accept my sincere apologies and heartfelt thank you. Most importantly, I thank our athletes. Your courage, your determination, and achievements inspire us every single day. On behalf of AMF Foundation, thank you for being a part of this journey. Together, we will continue transforming lives, making our nation proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ఫౌండేషన్ గురించి శిల్ప వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ట్రస్టీస్ ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి. ఈ బిల్డింగ్ లోపల కింద ఒక రూమ్లో ఉండేది ఆదిత్య మెహతా ఫౌండేషన్. అక్కడి నుంచి మెల్లిమెల్లిగా 14 సంవత్సరాలకి ఈ 3,70,00,000 ఎంతో అంతవరకు ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ మన పారా అథ్లీట్స్కి ఇవ్వడం. అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ అథ్లీట్స్ అండి, వీళ్ళ అథ్లీట్స్ని అథ్లీట్స్గా తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ దీనికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు. వీళ్ళకి ఏదో ఒక విధంగా ఒక యాక్సిడెంట్ ద్వారానో లైఫ్ హ్యాస్ కమ్ ఇన్ అండ్ గివెన్ పుట్టుకతోనూ ఏదో ఒక ప్రాబ్లంతో ఉన్నప్పుడు దే కమ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ ఫౌండేషన్ అండ్ వీళ్ళు కంప్లీట్గా నర్చర్ చేసి ఒక స్పోర్ట్మెన్షిప్ని వాళ్ళ లోపల తీసుకొస్తారు. అసలు వాళ్ళ సైకిలే ముట్టనోళ్ళు మన దేశం కోసం గోల్డ్ మెడల్స్ కొట్టి తీసుకొచ్చారు. వీళ్ళు ప్రతిసారి నేను ఆదిత్యతో మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు నాకు అసలు ఎంత ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఉంటుందో, బికాజ్ మనకు అన్ని దేవుడిచ్చి కూడా మనం రోజు పొద్దున్న లేసి ఇది లేదు అది లేదు అని కంప్లైంట్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం. వీళ్ళకి దేవుడు మన కళ్ళల్లో తక్కువ ఇచ్చినట్టు అనిపించినా మనకంటే ముందుకు వెళ్ళి మన దేశాన్ని గర్వపడేటట్టు చేస్తున్నారు ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్లో. సో మీ అందరికీ కూడా ప్రార్థన, ఆదిత్య మెహతా ఫౌండేషన్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఏ విధంగానూ మీరు టైం ఇచ్చినా కానీ, మీరు ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఇవ్వగలిగినా కానీ, అసలు ఈ ఫౌండేషన్ ఏంటా అని ఒక క్యూరియాసిటీగా వచ్చి చూసినా కానీ మీరే ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ తోటి ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ శిల్ప ఫర్ ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ మీ టు ఆదిత్య అండ్ యునో
కంటిన్యూస్ సపోర్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ తర్వాత లక్ష్మి అసలు ఎప్పుడు ఊర్లో లేకపోయినా కూడా ఆదిత్య మెహతా ఫౌండేషన్ సపోర్ట్ కోసం తను అన్ని స్కెడ్యూల్స్ పక్కకు పెట్టి వచ్చేస్తుంది. బికాస్ దట్స్ ద బిలీవ్ షీ హ్యాస్ ఇన్ ద కాజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫౌండేషన్. అండ్ ఇలాగే లక్ష్మి లాగా ఎంతోమంది అదర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లైక్ రజనా గారైనా, శ్రియా అయినా, అలా చాలామంది ప్రముఖులు ఈ ఆదిత్య మెహతా ఫౌండేషన్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మీరు మీడియా మనుషులు కాబట్టి దీని గురించి మీరు ప్రచారం చేసి 10 మందికి తెలిసేటట్టు చేసి వీళ్ళకి ఏదో రకంగా సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చేలాగా చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను.